Hey guys, welcome back. This is now the Three Sisters. I was just taking a little break, so now we're here out at the Three Sisters, which is in front of me. So I will turn around in a sec, and we're back. So I'm just gonna pan around when I get down. I'm just walking. Currently, the Three Sisters is behind me. But I'm just going to pan around, and there we go. So let's go down to the Three Sisters here, and yeah. So now we're down here at the Three Sisters. I'm going to just turn you around so you guys can see the view, and I'll explain a bit of the view. So here we are. This is the lovely Blue Mountains. In front of me here is Mount Solitary over there, where my finger's pointing is Solitary. So in front of me is Mount Solitary. And there's the Three Sisters right there. So, like I said, the Three Sisters were meant to be three Aboriginal women that were turned to stone by a witch doctor who was sort of, I guess, employed by their father to turn them to stone during the Aboriginal tribal war billions of years ago. It's Aboriginal Dreamtime story. And over in the background here is the scenic world. And now I'm going to take you guys on a walk. So we're going to walk for Three Sisters to we're going to do this walk down here, which is Three Sisters. We're going to stay along at the top of the ridge slide today, and yeah, we're going to stay on top of the ridge line just because of Wi-Fi. But we're going to go down this lovely track here, exiting from what's called Echo Point. Great place to come and check out. And so here we go down this lovely track here, past Echo Point, heading down into this track. You can actually go down and then follow down, and again, and there's a track called the Katoomba Falls track, down towards the Three Sisters. Sorry, down towards Katoomba Falls. So here we go. Welcome to one of the Blue Mountains tracks. This is essentially one of the paved tracks, which you can see, but it stays paved most of the way. And oh look, we have some walkers. There are some walkers around. Cool, hello. This isn't live, but it's on YouTube. So check it out, Aussie Guy Global Traveller. Yeah, as you can see, this is a beautiful area. We might see some rosellas or some king parrots, or even a lizard or two. Hopefully no snakes. Yeah, so this is going to be a nice day. Like I said, it's a really nice day today. Not too hot, not too cold. So we're going to be heading down this track, and I might take you guys to Katoomba Falls one time Not today, but maybe at one point I'll take you to Katoomba Falls. And also now I have got my charger plugged in, so I am vlogging and charging my phone. Amazing, love it. DJI Osmo 4, thank you. Because when you're a traveler and you're doing vlogs, you need to have and keep your phone charged. So this is the Prince Henry Cliff Walk, and it goes all the way to Scenic World. So we're going to stay on this track today, and it goes from, as you can see, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Now this area actually goes from eucalypt forest down into temperate rain forest. So we've got blue gum forest here, and we've got temperate rain forest, which is really cool. And of course up north you've got tropical rainforest up in Queensland. But yeah, so this is the Prince Henry Cliff Walk. My name's Joel, Aussie guy, global traveller, and we're going to actually be going on to essentially oh, it's wet. Oh, I love this navigating. I've essentially got the right shoes on for this. My Salomons Gore-Tex walking shoes from Kathmandu, which are really great. I've had them a few years, but Kathmandu is a really great company and they do really good gear, so check them out. This is not an advertisement for Kathmandu or DJI, but if you guys are watching, just kidding, I love your stuff, DJI and Kathmandu. So, and I definitely recommend these shoes for doing these kind of tracks. This is one of the more easy tracks on the Katoomba area, but as you can see, it's got incredible views, and it's so quiet at the moment. So yeah, it's really quiet at the moment, but that's what makes it beautiful up here. I do love the tourists, but it's really quiet at the moment. So yeah, we're gonna come to a couple of views in a sec as I dodge under trees and different areas like that. You can see the track. Oh, the track's quite wet today, so I just walked through about a foot of water there. You can see the track's quite wet. We do have a walker, another walker. So beautiful track. I'll just show that I'm walking down it. You're right. No worries. So this track goes all the way to the Scenic World. I'm gonna get wet socks today. But we're going uphill, so the water should subside. But as you can see, beautiful track and views. And there's lots of native birds and wildlife around here. That's behind me, where I've just come from. So what you can actually do here, if you really want, and I don't know if it's open, this girl might tell, is it open down there?
Yeah, where do you want to go?
Ah, I'm just going to tell people about it.
Oh yeah.
And I'll
It's
walk
all
down
open.
today.
Yeah,
So guys, this is the Prince Henry Cliff Walk, and if you go down these stairs, which I might do sometime, you can go down the stairs behind me to Scenic World and Katoomba Falls. Actually, let's go down. Why not? Not to Katoomba Falls, but to Scenic World. So I'm going to descend these stairs. I'm not going to go all the way down, but I'm going to go down and along to Scenic World. Just to give you guys a bit more into the Blue Mountains area. You can go all the way down to Katoomba Falls on this track, or you could actually just go up to Scenic World, which is what I'm going to do. But you can see behind me the stairs. It's very wet today, so I'm going to try and keep filming while staying off the wet. So this is essentially Scenic World Katoomba Falls track. And you can go all the way down to Katoomba Falls on this track if you feel like. Whew. It's extremely wet. Time for this vlogger to get some new shoes, I think. What's great about this track is coming under these amazing cliffs here, which I really do love. And of course, on these tracks, you get these incredible views. And like I said, this is one of the simple tracks, guys, but just incredible. So yeah, back up onto the track and Katoomba Falls track, which was recently closed, but now it's open again, and it's great to see because we want the locals coming back and exploring and trekking. The local shops, the cafes, the pubs, they really need it. And so come up if you live in the city, come up and explore this area. This is the Prince Henry Cliff Walk, like I said, and you can do it from Scenic World. You can do it from Scenic World, or from the Blue Mountain, or from Three Sisters. So yes, you can do it both ways. but it is a beautiful walk. As you can see behind me and in front of me, the landscape around is really beautiful. And yeah, just enjoy the view for a minute. Another view behind me there. As we continue this walk. Great track for beginners or just in beginner or intermediate. Actually, not even intermediate. This is a very easy track, and it's a very nice track. This is the one that a lot of tourists do. I myself have taken tourists on this track many a times. So it's great to take people on this track. It's really good. It's quite simple, and mainly the tracks lead off this track here. So you can do, like I said, the Katoomba Falls track, which starts not right yet. First you have to go to a place called Furber Steps, and that's amazing. That goes into the temperate rainforest, and then that goes down to Katoomba Falls, and then that eventually ends up in Scenic World. So up the stairs here, and we're going to come around to another awesome view here. And below is the bottom of Scenic World, Scenic Centre. So let's continue. So this essentially goes to Scenic World, and then if you want to do the Katoomba Falls track, this sort of eases you into it, I guess you could say. And yeah, this eases you into the track, and then you go down all these stairs, and that will take you down to Katoomba Falls. And it's amazing. What's that view behind me? Oh, lots of water again. Having to navigate myself. Having to navigate myself, guys. it can get quite tricky when it gets wet. But all in all, it's a pretty easy track to do. It runs right along the ridge, so now we're going to go up the stairs here. We've got a little waterfall running in there. My shoes are going to be so wet today. You can actually do a jog on this track if you want as well, but I just like it as a scenic walk more than anything. So it is a great track, and I highly recommend it. And if you come here, come on this